Sanibonani guys, igama ngiqobile ngiphathela amazibela Love at First Sight angomhla ka-19 July. Guys, u-Esethu-ke benoPrince sibe mane baxabana nje kungakapheli ngisho isikhathi eside beshadile. Into eyenzakalile-ke qale nje ngokuthi uPrince abuze u-Esethu umbuzo obuhlungu mayelana ne-ex yakhe esho ukuthi-ke wayengawaboni nama-red flags ngoba ngathi wayekwi-messy abusive relationship. Ugirl ubona sengathi-ke uPrince was out of line for asking that question. Wabona sengathi ublema yena u-Esethu ngokuthi wagcina i-breakup ne-ex-boyfriend yakhe. Hhayi-ke kuthe kusanjalo kanti-ke uPrince uzomana thatha ifoni ka-Esethu ayipheje. Uthe methi uyabuka, hayi bo, kunalo bhuti lo ubhizi lo-ke ekhuluma naye u-Esethu ngisho eseshade naye uPrince. Useyasho ukuthi ngishilo ngathi blokha wonke umuntu umuntu wesilisa ukhuluma naye, kungani usakhuluma nalo? Yo guys, wazama ukuchaza Esethu-ke ukuthi hhayi bengimtshela nje ukuthi sengishadile manje akaphume kumina. Wathi ngitshelelani? Akumelanga ngabe ukhatha all the contact completely. Uthi ngokuthi ngimtshele ukuthi sengishadile bengizama khona ukuthi ngikhathe i-contact. Wathi ngokukhuluma naye, hayi bo guys, kwabonakala ukuthi sekumuncu-ke manje endlini nama-cameras-ke alokethe njo kule situation cause manje kuyabonakala ukuthi hhayi lo mshado uzobhidlika ungakaqala nokuqala ukwakhiwa. Guys, ushilo-ke uPrince ukuthi yena akayigqugquzeli indaba yokuthi abantu besifazane babe nabangani abantu besilisa, kodwa-ke ugirl washo ukuthi kholo okukholwayo-ke mina ngizamile ukuthi ngibablockele abantu and le conversation oyibona lapha efonini indala kabi. Wathi why didn't you delete the numbers? Wathi ayibo, ukuba umtshelile earlier ukuthi ufuna ngidelete zonke iy'namba zabo ngabe ngikwenzile. Uwena nje ngithi mengikhuluma naye umane ungizibe, umane ungidube, ngithi ngihlale eduze kwakho uyasuka usukiswa intukuthelo. Wathi ungalingi ungitshele ukuthi ngi-react kanjani mengidiniwe mina. Wathi okay, shuthi yona ndlela o-react ngayo le modiniwe wena. Shuthi kulo mshado mina ngohlezi njalo mengixabene nawe ngikubona ukuthi uthathe impahla zakho uphuma uhambe. Wathi yebo, kumele ukwamukele lokho ngoba indlela engiyiyona. Hayi wamane wathi kele lo muntu lo kuzomele azama ukuyisotha out yena kuqala before acabanga umshado ngoba ngathi uneyilonda naye zakhe engapholanga. Guys, ngimboneke esethathe iy'khwama zakho uPrince eyophuma ngomnyango. Wamshiya u-Esethu ekhala inyembezi guys. And remember, these people are not even 3 months in a marriage. But-ke asithembe ukuthi ubhuti usazophinda athathe iy'mpahla zakhe lezi ayithuthile wahamba nazo aphinde abuyele back endlini, ngoba from the looks of things ngathi nogela kancengi since eshilo naye uPrince ukuthi hayi kwakumele wabona ama-red flags. Engathi naye uPrince uyi-red flag ngokwakhe, ngoba ubani ungamelana nale ndaba yokuthi sonke isikhathi mexatshana khona ukuthi iy'mpahla zakhe ahambe. Yo guys, that's a red flag right there. Asibone-ke kodwa ukuthi-ke uthando lwabo luyophetha kanjani. Aphela lapho amazibela namhlanje, ngakhohlwa subscribe and like and comment. Until next time, bye. Sanibonani guys, igama ngiqobile ngiphathela amazibela Love at First Sight angomhla ka-19 July. Guys, u-Esethu-ke benoPrince sibe mane baxabana nje kungakapheli ngisho